It's our favorite star's birthday, so let's look at some of the most important parts of your life and why you impress us with all your roles in real life. यार एक बात बताओ, इसके 18 years में इतना टाइम लग गया था, 18 साल पढ़ने में. Looking forward to it. Oh, childhood. That's very sweet. I'm gonna cry. I'm trying. आ रहा है देखो. Cherish the precious memories. Well, we don't know too much about your childhood. I shall tell you. But from what we have heard from you in your interviews, you were a mischievous, naughty little child. I don't lie. Yes, I was. That child still exists somewhere, everywhere. That mischievousness still exists. Yeah, and people suffer it. Hence the yeah, people suffer it. इसलिए स्वप्ना मैम और इसने मेरा नाम शिनचैन रखा. Mischief, Manish Mischief and Mischief Photography. We are glad that the child in you is still alive. I'm glad too. Because that's what makes you all the more lovable among people of all ages. I love you for the same. The word child also plays a big part in your life in other way. Your love for children. I know. You enjoy being around kids and they seem to love you a lot too. अभी से नहीं पूछ सकता, अभी बड़ी हो गई है.
अरे यार जबरदस्ती.
And why wouldn't they? They are just amazing. Totally. Oh, you are just amazing.
खुद की तारीफ कभी नहीं सुन सकते.
Okay, so keep that little kid alive forever in your heart and keep rocking. Okay, 1 second. So this is your finger and this is my pinky finger. I give you a pinky promise that child will always live in me. Oh my god. This is something. Okay. I'll tell you why she's laughing. My first role ever, Apurva, my introduction in Kahin Kisi Rose. Sameer, that was not my second, but yeah, you skipped 2-3 projects in between. Sameer is in Teen Bauraniya, one of my favorite characters. Arjun in Jab La Hua. Rahul. Shit, मेरे को खुद याद नहीं है यार. I really appreciate that you guys remember. Rahul is in what is that? Rang Badalti Odni. Good, she's prompting me. Siddhant, I don't know where. Saket in Bidai. Sunny in Baris. And Aditya in Hum Dono Alag Alag. Hum Dono Alag Alag. Yes. Oh my god, you know more than me. Okay. Now reading time. That's a task. You've done many different shows.
This is really funny. This is funny.
That's how
What was the age then? Look at you.
What you want to adopt? You're still not that age. Wait.
तुम बच्चों.
अब तो था ना यार, पढ़ाई साथ में चल रही थी यार, ऐसा नहीं होता. ओके हाँ, सो हाँ अभी हम पढ़ेंगे. अरे छोड़. You've done many things, different shows with many different types of characters, but there's one thing that stayed the same throughout: your ability to impress. I don't think I impressed a lot of people as a Purva, but I'm growing with time.
Other way.
It's the other way around.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Whatever the role, whatever the character, you never fail to impress us. Your acting is perfect, your dialogue delivery is amazing, and most of all, most important, you always look more than handsome. From Rahul Khanna to Siddhant Bhardwaj. And everything else, including your roles, of course, you've always made your fans proud, and we are sure you will definitely continue to do so. Love you. Love you too. Simply amazing. Thank you. This is my favorite part, which we live for. That's Rose said. See, look at the smile on her face. This is what keeps us connected. This is what.
अब रो ही दो. अब तो.
अरे रोना नहीं आ रहा. अच्छा हाँ, तो Siddhant. Our current favorite role of yours. You have loved every shade of Siddhant, the angry young man to the soft-hearted man who loves his family a lot. Everything was portrayed very nicely by you. But the best part was obviously when Sid's name joined with Rolly's name and we got a magical word named Rosid. Yes, that's my favorite part too. We absolutely love Rosid. Rosid are and always will be perfect for each other. Yeah. Totally. You know, I'll just open a little secret. Since morning we are working on a concept which is gonna be a surprise for you.
Which is gonna be a surprise for you.
No, but I want to tell them because it's very important. We were trying some permutations of combinations of Abhiman and Rosit, but at the end of it, we realized that no, we will not separate Rosit. We will not separate Rosit. Rosit will remain Rosit in the concept. It will not. Roli will not come with Manish, and Siddhant will not go with Avika because that's how it is. Roli and Siddhant stay together. Kitne bhi aa jaye, I know you don't like it, so we will not even put Manish and Avika in between your Rosit. Okay? Ha. So I opened the secret. Damn. Rosit were and always will be perfect for each other.
Exactly.
That was my point where I opened the secret. they make each other even better when they are together. Rosit nok joke, Rosit masti, Rosit wala pyar. Everything is so perfect. After all, pyar Rosit hai.
I love this. I love this.
ये तो मतलब एकदम. This whole page seems like it is all about Rosit, and it should be. Which it definitely is. You got my point. But our Rosit wouldn't exist without Sid. And Sid always was and always will be a very wonderful Manish. Yes, like I remember when it was Jhumki, you didn't even accept Avika as opposite Siddhant. So I totally believe that, you know, Rosit for both of us is Avika and Manish playing, and we just hope that, you know, we sail this through, that, you know, Rosit always remains Manish and Avika. Okay, you've done great justice to Sid's role, and we don't think anyone else would have been able to do the same. Thank you for thinking that way. One really great thing about you is that it's not just your face doing the acting, it's your eyes too. Okay, you express everything through your eyes. Words aren't even needed. Your expressions, shut up. Your expressions shown, shut up. Your expression shown through, shut up again. Your eyes make us love you all the more. Love you as Siddhant because you complete our Rosit. Thank you. I'll tell you why she's laughing. Because there are certain times. She is a fabulous born actress. I have to bring it in. I'm not a great actor. So whenever we have this, we'll open a little secret again. So we work hard, and how you will see one scene, Rosit scene, 1 घंटा makeup room में brainstorming is going on. ये ऐसे करते, वो ऐसे करते, none of us are sitting. Okay, we are running around in the room, and when we are performing, and if it's not coming across right, what happens is, okay, if I'm going wrong, my eyes are not speaking, and I stop, and I do the scene again. So basically, it is the thing. No. It is not the way we planned. Not right. This is not we planned. This is not what we planned. So even same goes with her, but she never goes wrong usually. Once in a while. It's not the way we planned. So that's when I go. This is our little code of saying no. Rosidans will not like it. और उसमें आर्यन का भी फेस है. One second. So let me show you this king of expressions.
कौन सा एक्सप्रेशन क्या बता?
ये क्या था? भैया मेरी बुद्धि इतनी चलती. This I don't know. It's not from this show. This is definitely not from this show again. It is from show, of course. This is definitely from this. I don't know. I've never worn a ganji in this show. Have I? I don't know. This is Siddhant. This is Rahul Khanna. This is Roli के साथ ही था कोई scene. गाड़ी में था. अरे हाँ गाड़ी वाला scene था. And this is I don't know. Somewhere, yes. So basically, yeah, king of expressions. You probably said this. We have probably said this a million times, but we can never say. I'm dyslexic. I still read because my friend refuses to read. We have probably said this a million times, but we can never say it enough. You're the king of expressions. Sad, happy, excited, cute. Whatever it is needed. You got it. You are perfect at showing every possible emotion. The proof, it lies in the countless screenshots that we have of you, not only for all your shows but also from all the events that you've been to and all your interviews. You know what, talking about your screenshots, again we'll open a secret. You never know. कल हो ना हो, इसलिए ये आज जान लो कि the about screenshots, when we are working towards any scene, we work like Sanjay Leela Bansali. We give you every frame. We plan our shots in such a way.
You remember that scene where
अभी हम लोगों ने एक सीन किया था जिसमें
सांस सॉन्ग जिसमें वो बैंगल था. We जानबूझ के made sure
that was a last minute improvisation की boss, we need to give our fans their screenshots. So हम लोगों ने plan ऐसा किया कि रोली का close-up में ऐसा तो they'll take a screenshot. So we plan everything according to your brains so that you know you get your screenshots right. So हम लोग जब भी हम लोग planning करते हैं तो हम लोग वैसे she calls the pair Abbas Mastan, but no, when we work towards roasted scenes, it's Sanjay Leela Bansali working. No, it is Sanjay Leela Bansali, like you know, he knows visual perfection and everything. एक candle भी बुझना नहीं चाहिए. Okay, Abbas Mastan. नहीं मानती है. So you do everything with such ease that it just seems to be natural. Trust me, it's not. I'm not an actor. And as we said before, your eyes are the best. Thank you. You're able to show emotion so well through your eyes that you don't even need to say anything for your scenes. Your eyes already do it for you. And that's what makes your scenes even more captivating, makes you the king of expressions. So for the eyes, let's do a little flutter for them. Okay, that's amazing.
Hi, I'm Avika Gaur. Keep watching India Forums and also do subscribe to WhatsApp TV.